Hey Sugar Snaps, welcome to the Textile Indie YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Brittany, and here on YouTube I share textile and fiber arts inspiration and tutorials in spinning, natural dyeing, knitting, wet felting, basketry, and other things. Except today I am doing a vlog in my November vlog challenge, and today I'm going to be making some, whatchamacallit, bread pudding to take to our family's Thanksgiving gathering. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful Thankfulness Day, whether you celebrate or not. And like this video because it supports my channel and it makes my heart happy. And subscribe to see more of my videos here on YouTube. Check out the description below for more on Textile Indie and other resources that we have on our website as well as the YouTube channel. Thank you, and thanks for being a part of the November Vlog Challenge. This has been a really fun journey, and I'm really enjoying it. I hope you are. Until tomorrow, happy making. See you then. Bye.